Guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ChatGPT hacks that you probably do not know. You may call this a hack, you may call it tips or trick, but then it's a hack for me, okay? You may have known some, you probably may not have known all those 10. So you want to watch this video all the way to the end to know how you'll be able to make the best use of ChatGPT and get the best response, get the best results while using ChatGPT. If you are ready, I am ready as well. Let's dive into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Ifnanya Anwaigwe and you're welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss everything about business, finance, marketing and how to use artificial intelligence to improve in these three. So if that is something that you want, make sure you hit that subscribe button, become a part of this wonderful community. So without any further talking, let's dive into this video. I'm going to be sharing my laptop screen with you and I'm going to be doing these things on my laptop. It is still the same thing with your ChatGPT mobile and also your web browser. Okay, all those things I'm doing here, you can do them with your ChatGPT in the browser and also the mobile app. So if you are ready, I am ready as well. Now the first one is I want to share with you the first one is the appearance. Okay, the first hack that you need to know in ChatGPT is the appearance of your theme. Maybe you want it to appear white. By default, ChatGPT leaves the theme to be white or to be in light mode. But if you are a coder or maybe you are working at night and you feel like you want it to be in dark mode, all you need to do is to click on your name or your picture and then you go to settings, click on settings, and then you will see the general settings. Under the general settings, you will see theme and then you see light. All you need to do is to click on change it to dark, or you can go back to light. For me, I prefer the light mode. I don't know why. While working at night, I prefer it so much. So if this is something you want, then you can change it to dark mode and then continue with your work. And the second hack is for you to give ChatGPT a breakdown of long, complex prompts. Okay, you don't want ChatGPT to give you nonsense answers. So all you need to do is to make sure that you break down your prompts. When you give it a long, complex prompt, it's going to be confusing you. ChatGPT is going to confuse itself and also confuse you as well. So this is something that you don't want. All you need to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask questions step by step. Okay, you don't want to go to ChatGPT and be like, help me write a business proposal and then calculate my profit and loss in the next 6 months and then give me the way forward in my business. I mean, you are asking one prompt, you are asking one question to ChatGPT. No, it's not going to work. Okay, this long form now, this long prompt, you can break it down. You can go by asking ChatGPT to help you to create a business proposal for yourself. And then after it has given you the best business proposal, you can go ahead and ask it to calculate your profit and loss in the next 6 months. After it has given you that, you can go ahead as well to tell it to give you the way forward in your business. This is the best thing. Instead of you complicating everything and then bringing them together, this is going to confuse ChatGPT. And I know you don't want to get confused. I know you don't want to get ChatGPT confused as well. Okay, so give it a prompt that it will understand and serve you better. Now the third tip I have for you is to rename your chat properly inside of ChatGPT. You know you use ChatGPT a lot. There have been a lot of questions coming in, but then there are some questions or some chats that you need to keep for the future and you need to remember them, right? So all you need to do is to go to that particular chat. Now open your ChatGPT dashboard. That's the first one. Open your ChatGPT dashboard and then scroll by the right to see all the chats that you've been having all this while. All you need to do is to hover on one of them or that particular one that you want to rename. Click on the 3 dot that says option. You will see rename there. Like I told you, all those things are also applied inside of ChatGPT browser. Then you click rename. Now looking for a joke for trouble, right? Now I'm going to be renaming this. Let me just say jokes. Okay, or let me just say funny jokes. All right, so funny jokes is actually the chat that I have with ChatGPT. All I need to do is just hit on enter and the name has changed. So you can see it's now funny jokes instead of the whatever name that it had before. Okay, so this is the third tip that you need to know about ChatGPT. And the fourth hack is for you to use natural language. Now, this is you chatting with ChatGPT like your friend, as you do with your friends. Just that normal way you talk with your friends, your family, your people. Do the same thing with ChatGPT. Okay, don't confuse ChatGPT, or maybe you try to give it a complex thought, or maybe you want to speak big grammar. No, avoid all those things. If you are good in speaking pidgin English, use pidgin English, because ChatGPT will understand you. If you are calling your friend bro, you can use bro as well. Okay, any language that you know that is familiar with you, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT. Use it in ChatGPT. It's going to give you the best response ever. You don't want to be on a normal, you sound like a Nigerian, you use pidgin English to speak, and then when you go to ChatGPT to ask questions, you become an English grammar professor. That is not something that ChatGPT is asking you. Use that normal language that you've been using in your friends, with your friends, in your communication. Just be free with ChatGPT. Okay? Once you are free with ChatGPT, you will get the best response. This is it. You will get the best response ever while using ChatGPT. Okay? So use natural language. Use any form of language that you want, as long as ChatGPT will understand it. It will give you the right response and the right result. Now, the fifth hack I have for you, this is actually one of my favorites. It is the temporary chat. Temporary chat. I know a lot of people don't know this, but for you to use temporary chat, all you need to do is to go to your ChatGPT dashboard as well, and then click on your ChatGPT, the version of your ChatGPT. Click on that. It will bring down all the options that we have there. You will see temporary chat. Just toggle it on. Now, let me tell you something. One thing about temporary chat is that once you toggle it on, any chat that you have with ChatGPT here, it will not remember it. You just serve as incognito in Chrome browser. Okay, so any chat that you have right now inside of this temporary chat is not going to appear on the memory. I hope that is clear. So anything that you chat, you ask ChatGPT here. After here, once you close this, it has closed. So this is a warning for you. If you want to remember what you've been chatting with ChatGPT, do not go here. All right, just go back to your normal ChatGPT, toggle it off as well, and you have come back to ChatGPT, the version that you are using. Okay, so that's the fifth one. Sixth hack I have for you is to use ChatGPT as a personality. Maybe you ask ChatGPT to act like a marketing strategist and give you the best marketing strategy for your fashion business, and ChatGPT is going to do it for you. You are asking ChatGPT to act like a marketing strategist, or act like a social media manager, or act like a brand strategist, or act like a businesswoman, and then ChatGPT would give you all the necessary things that you need. As long as you are asking it to act like that particular thing, it will give you the best response. Okay, it's going to give you the best response. Now, let me try this and ask ChatGPT to act as a marketing strategist. Okay, give me a step by step process of promoting my fashion business. Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT now to act like a marketing strategy, to give me a step-by-step process on how to promote my fashion business to get more customers. Okay, in order to get more customers. So this is our question to ChatGPT. It is customer. Okay, now once we do this, we'll send this to ChatGPT, and in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will start acting like a marketing strategist. Okay, so you see what it's telling us: to identify the audience, establish your brand identity, and a lot more. Optimize your online presence. So ChatGPT is already acting like a marketing strategy, and is giving us the best response ever. Okay, so this is what you want. This is all you need to know about acting or using personality when it comes to ChatGPT. I hope that's clear. Now, the seventh hack is for you to clear ChatGPT memories. For you to do what? To clear ChatGPT memories. If you have been chatting a lot with ChatGPT, you will have the memories. Like I told you, if you are using temporary chat, then those memories are not stored. But if you're using just ChatGPT ordinary, then you will have memories. Now let me tell you something about memories. You may be asking different kinds of questions to ChatGPT. Like myself, I ask different kinds of questions. I ask questions on marketing, on business, on AI, on a lot of things. Okay, but then at some point ChatGPT brain will be saturated. It doesn't know what to give you as the best answer or as the best response again. All you need to do is to do what? Go and clear the memories. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to clear ChatGPT memories. I'm going to be doing this as well with my own business because it has been a whole lot. But now this is ChatGPT dashboard, and then you click on your name and go to the settings. Once you locate the settings, you will see it's still on general. All you need to do is to locate delete all chats, and then you hit on delete. Okay, then you click on what? Delete all chats, and this will help you to confirm. You confirm the deletion. If you once you do this, all your chat histories will be gone. But for me, I don't want to delete my own now, even though I want to delete it, but then I don't want to delete it now because some of those memories are really good and understanding. So, but then if you feel like ChatGPT is confused and you have had different kinds of questions, then you need to delete that memory for you to build a fresher one. And as time goes on, if you feel like you don't want to be bombarding ChatGPT with a lot of questions, you can simply toggle on to temporary chat, and after that it will wipe away the memory for you to continue again. The 8th hack I have for you is to ask ChatGPT to explain something to a 10-year-old child. Okay, maybe we are going to ask ChatGPT to explain physics quantum to a 10-year-old child, because you know that thing is just something else. So I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to explain quantum in physics to a 10 years old kid. Okay, and then we hit on enter so that ChatGPT will explain quantum physics to a 10 years old. Okay, so it's going to be make it simple and straightforward, and you know, it will make you to understand it better. I know a lot of people don't really understand something easily, so once you are able to ask ChatGPT something and then tell it to explain it to a 10 years old, or you can even go lower and ask it to do what? Explain it to a 5 years old. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's ask ChatGPT to do what? To explain this same quantum to a 5 years old. Now I'm going to copy it and go back to my chat again. Okay, paste it, and then we change that 10 years old to 5 years, and then we hit on enter again. So we'll see that ChatGPT is going to give us the explanation in a simple and understandable way. Okay, so you can see, okay, ChatGPT is giving us different fields here, but then any one that you choose is still going to give you the best response. So I prefer this, and then this is you explaining something. This is ChatGPT helping you to explain quantum in physics to a 5 years old. Okay, so you will see every other thing. It will make it easy for you to understand very well. If you are seeing something so complex and you don't know what it is, all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT to ask it, and then you ask it to explain that particular thing to a 10 years old or to a 5 years old. You understand it easily. Now let's look at the 9th one, which is connecting your ChatGPT and your Google Drive so that ChatGPT can easily go to your Google Drive and pick an image for you to analyze. Okay, you guys already know ChatGPT can actually analyze an image, but then we need to first of all connect it with our Google Drive. If you have that image inside of your Google Drive, it's going to be amazing. It's either you connect your ChatGPT to your Google Drive or you connect it to your Microsoft OneDrive. Now we're going to be connecting mine to ChatGPT, to my Google Drive. All you need to do is to open the chat and then click on this attached file here. Once you click on the attached file, you can see connect to Google Drive or connect to Microsoft OneDrive, or you can simply upload the image from your system. But then we want to connect to Google Drive, right? And you click on that, all your Google accounts will pop up. All your Google accounts will pop up. All right, so the Google account I have here has popped out, and all I need to do is to click on my name and then connect it. By default, it will get connected already. Okay, so and then we continue. All right, So you can see this notification. It says that your account is now connected to ChatGPT. Okay, so this automatically means that ChatGPT has connected to my Google Drive. So anything inside my Google Drive now, I can bring it right inside of ChatGPT to analyze it. Okay, so you can see I can simply click on add from Drive, Google Drive. So you can do this as well. Connect your Google Drive to your ChatGPT. It is really simple and easy to do. You can follow this step-by-step process, and then you can, once you follow these steps that I've already shown you, you'll be able to do it better. The 10th one I have for you is to ask ChatGPT to act as a planner for you to help you organize your life. Maybe you want to organize your life in a day, then you can simply come and tell ChatGPT, I'm a businesswoman, please help me plan and organize my day. ChatGPT will do that for you. Okay, or maybe you want to organize your life or your content or whatever, your email, you want to be sending email, your Facebook posts, your Instagram posts, your YouTube videos. Simply come and ask ChatGPT, oh yeah, oh, come and help me organize my life, come and help me organize whatever I'm doing for the day. Okay, so if you ask ChatGPT to help you to organize your day or your week or your month, it's going to do that for you. Okay, or maybe you have a plan to make 1 million naira in January. All you need to do is to go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to guide you on how you'll be able to make 1 million naira in January. Okay, so this is all I have for you. These are the 10 ChatGPT hacks that you probably do not know. You may, like I said, some of them you know them, some of them you don't know them. Now I have given you 10. Go and explore. Use ChatGPT to your best of knowledge, and you will get the best results from now on. Okay, so if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Guys, I will see you all in my next video.